In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the two easiest ways to import images into Figma Make. Whether you're adding a product photo, a reference image, or something to help you build your layout, importing images only takes a couple of clicks. Start by opening the design where you want to place your image. Once your canvas is ready, the first method is simple point and click. Just click anywhere on your canvas where you want the image to go. When you do that, look at the bottom toolbar. You'll see an option that says Upload from Computer. Click on it, and Figma Make will open your file browser. From there, choose any image on your computer, a PNG, JPEG, screenshot, or anything else. Once you select the file, it will immediately appear on your canvas, and you can resize or move it around like any other object. The second method is great when you need to bring in a reference image or supporting asset while you're already typing or adding content. Whenever the prompt box appears, the area where you type instructions or generate content, you'll notice a small plus sign in the corner. Click that plus icon and it will let you upload a reference image directly from your computer. This is especially useful if you're explaining something visually or want Figma Make to generate new designs based on the image you provide. Once the image is uploaded, it becomes part of your project and you can place it anywhere on the canvas. These two options make it easy to bring in any image you need, whether you're designing, prototyping, or gathering visual inspiration. With just a few clicks, your images are imported, ready to use, and fully editable.